Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to track your GNC order. Okay, you can do this from the mobile or the PC, but the first thing I want you to do is just come to gnc.com on your browser. You can use the mobile app as well, by the way, and basically what you need to do is come to this website. You'll see this page right here. You just have to scroll all the way down until you reach the end, and you should see this section. See this get help under it. The first option would be track order. Okay, just go ahead and click on this, and it would redirect you to this page right here. And what we're gonna have to do is scroll down and enter our details. So we'll need to enter our order number, okay, our order email, and billing zip code. You don't have to even be a registered user to do this. And then just click on check status, okay? And it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.